treat yourself to a test drive in the 2015 Subaru Forester. It features a standard transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.